Natural arch. Tirumala Hills is a distinctive geological feature 1 kilometer north of the Tirumala Hills Temple, near the Chakra Teertham in the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. The arch is also called Silathoranam in local language. The arch measures 8 m in width and 3 m in height, and is naturally formed in the quartzites of Cuddapah Supergroup of Middle to Upper Proterozoic due to natural erosive forces. The arch is one of the few natural arches or bridges in Asia. Mythological folklore related to the arch, linked to the famous Tirumala Hills Temple of Lord Venkateswara, has 3 versions. According to one version, the arch resembles the hood of a serpent, a conch and a discus. A circumflex, all symbols of worship in Hindu religion. A circumflex, and considered to be the source of the idol of Lord Venkateswara or Lord Balaji at the Tirumala Hill Temple. The second version is that the main deity in the Tirumala temple is of the same height as the height of the arch. The third version is that Lord Vishnu, known as Balaji or Venkateswara at the Tirumala temple town, is supposed to have put his first foot down at a place called Podalu or Srivaripudalu, which is the highest point of Tirumala Hills, the second step at the location of the arch. Thereafter, the next step is stated to have been placed where his idol is now worshipped in the temple at Tirumala. In the 1980s, during excavations for a geological fault in the Tirumala Hills, geologists found this rare geological formation of the rock arch, which has 2 dissimilar sets of rocks with a connecting thin link. The assessed geological age of the rock arch is 2.5 million years. Formation of the arch is attributed to intensified weathering and erosion of stream action that has withstood the torque of nature. This is a rare geological fault which is technically called in the geological idiom as a circumflex Apachean unconformity. The natural geological arch has 2 distinct physiographical regions, a circumflex southwest upland and northeast lowland. The Tirupati Hills, at the foot of a picturesque range of hills, are known by several names such as Seshachala, Venkatachala and Balaji. The geological formations are categorized under 4 heads, namely, the Archeans, the Apachean unconformity, Puranas, and Quaternary deposits. The Tirumala Hills, essentially of Precambrian period, are composed of sedimentary rocks, say circumflex quartzites and intercalated shales, which are given the geological stratigraphical nomenclature of Nagari quartzites. The hill ranges of the Tirumala rise to a height of 900 m from the average height of 150 m in the plains at Tirupati. The steep scarp of the hill ranges depicts unconformity in its topographic, structural and enudational features, which is the Apachean unconformity. The sedimentary thickness of the Cuddapah basin is of the order of 12 kilometers with volcanic sequences in the form of soils and dikes. A prominent Apachean unconformity of the formation resting on the Archean Peninsula gneissic complex is noted. Rocks of Cuddapah Supergroup including Kernel Group are the prominent feature of the basin. Specifically, the arch's origin is attributed to 2 schools of thought, namely, or it could be the effect of a wave action from oceanic transgression, or intensified climatic settings and corrosion, and it may have been naturally carved out of quartzite. The location of the arch is well connected by road, rail and air routes. The nearest railhead to Tirumala Hills is Tirupati. From Tirupati railway station, the approach to the Tirumala temple is only by road, a distance of 19 kilometers. The nearest airport is located at Srinagar, about 15 kilometers away from Tirupati, which connects to Chennai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore airports. Regular bus services are operated by all the states bordering Andhra Pradesh. The approach road from the temple is wide and is an avenue of trees. Private vehicles are allowed to the location. A 20-minute walk from the Varahaswamy temple in Tirumala would be a pleasant experience.